Sales reps spend half their time researching prospects. Prospecting Agent changes that. Built natively into Salesforce, this AI agent automatically finds, enriches, and prioritizes your best leads, so your team can stop researching and start closing. Getting it set up is surprisingly fast. Let's walk through what it looks like to turn this on for your team. Everything starts inside Salesforce Go. You'll simply need to toggle on Agentforce for Sales and Prospecting Agent with 2 simple clicks. Once it's enabled, you decide who gets access. There are 2 permission levels, one for the reps who will be reviewing prospects, and one for the managers or admins who configure the agent. So a sales manager might hold both, while an individual rep just needs the one. Select the right permissions for the right users, hit Assign, and you're done. No complex provisioning and no IT tickets needed. Now the fun part, actually configuring the agent. Click Build and Manage Agents to kick off the guided configuration. First, give your agent a name. Then you'll point it at your account data by connecting a Salesforce report. This is the pool of accounts the agent will prospect into. You can layer in multiple reports if you're targeting different segments or personas. Amplify the agent's intelligence by connecting data sources. ZoomInfo plugs in natively, one authentication flow, and you're pulling in verified contact and company data. By default, Prospecting Agent will pull in any recorded conversation insights and look up any context within your CRM, so the agent knows what's already been discussed with an account. Here's where the real intelligence gets dialed in. In plain language, you tell the agent what a great account looks like. Required criteria like industry or company size, and nice-to-have signals like recent funding rounds or news coverage. You can even run a live preview on a specific account to see how it scores before you go live. This is essentially encoding your best salesperson's instincts into the agent. Next, define the ideal contact profile that you want the agent to surface. Directors and above in sales or RevOps, individual contributors only. You set the tiers and the agent does the filtering. Then you choose how those prospects get distributed, equally across your reps or all to one person. We typically recommend starting with 10 prospects per rep per week, so you can validate quality before scaling up. Finally, determine the right ownership logic for your prospects. You're almost done. Take a final look at your settings and preview your agent's behavior based on the logic and rules you just set up. When you're ready, hit Activate. Now head over to your Prospecting tab. This is your user's home base, where they review and approve prospect recommendations and get a full overview of all existing prospecting agents. That's it. In a matter of minutes, you've stood up a prospecting agent. No more stale lists. No more reps wasting half their day on research. Just your team focused entirely on the conversations that move deals forward. For more help, be sure to join one of our upcoming hands-on workshops.